Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the music on the Matchmasters application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find the different buttons. If you want to set the music and the volume of the music in this game, just click to the three line at the upper right corner of the home screen and just go to the settings icon, the last option, and here you can find the music. And if you want to mute, just click to the music icon, and if you want to set the volume, just click to the blue purple icon maybe, and just pull on the line and you can set the volume of that. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.